Yay! Hello everyone! Today we're opening Peppa Pig and Friends. It includes Rebecca Rabbit, Suzy Sheep, and Pedro Pony, and of course, me. Okay, let's go check it out.
There's Pedro Pony. I think this is Suzy Sheep. Do you know who it is? It's Rebecca Rabbit. And lastly,
It's me! Wait, no! I'm me! Who are you? I'm Peppa. No, I'm Peppa. Okay, wait. We are both Peppa. Oops, Rebecca Rabbit fell over. Well, that's it for this. We opened our friends, and on the next video, we're all going to have some fun playing. Going to have a good adventure. I hope you can watch. So hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.